In this tutorial, we're going to see how to buy Blockdag with MetaMask. Firstly, make sure you have the MetaMask extension installed on your browser. Open MetaMask, log in, and make sure your wallet is connected to the Ethernet mainnet. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official website. Now, since Blockdag is an ERC20 token, you'll need Ethereum to buy it and pay for the gas fees. You can purchase Ethereum directly from MetaMask using the buy option. To see your DAG balance in MetaMask, you need to add the token manually. Go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, search for the Blockdag, and copy the contract address. In MetaMask, click Import Tokens, paste the contract address, then click Add Custom Token. Now go to a popular DEX like Uniswap or SushiSwap. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask from the list. In DEX, choose Ethereum as the token you're swapping for. Pass the DAG contract address to select the Blockdag as the token you want to swap to. Then enter the amount of Ethereum you want to exchange, then click Swap. Just confirm the transaction in MetaMask and pay for the gas fees. Once the transaction is confirmed, return to your MetaMask wallet. You should now see your Blockdag tokens in your assets list. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.